If you haven't subscribed to PiNewsMedia yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any latest updates and in-depth insights about Pi Network. Hello everyone, welcome to PiNewsMedia. Today we are bringing you a major new development from Pi Network, an update that could redefine the relationship between human verification and artificial intelligence. According to the latest report, Pi Network has successfully completed over 526 million human KYC validation tasks, carried out by more than 1 million verified participants worldwide. This milestone is not just about growth in numbers, it represents the formation of a globally distributed, identity-verified human network. In traditional internet systems, identity verification usually relies on centralized institutions such as banks, government databases, or third-party verification providers. While these systems are mature, they often suffer from high costs, limited scalability, and centralized privacy risks. Pi Network, however, is taking a completely different approach, building a decentralized, community-driven identity verification system powered by blockchain technology. This achievement of over 526 million KYC tasks signals more than just user participation. It represents the early formation of a human authenticity layer where real individuals become verifiable nodes within a global digital network. In the era of rapid AI development, machines can generate content, simulate human behavior, and even create fake identities as a result. The question of how to prove you are a real human is becoming one of the most critical challenges of the internet age. Pi Network's vision is to address exactly this challenge by building a human layer system where every verified user contributes to a global trust network based on real human identity. From a technical perspective, this development is significant in three key ways. First, decentralized identity verification. Instead of relying on a single authority, Pi Network distributes the verification process across a global community, making the system more resilient and scalable. Second, structured large-scale human data. With over 526 million verification tasks completed, the system is accumulating a massive dataset of verified human interactions, which could become valuable for AI training, fraud detection, and digital identity systems. Third, a foundational layer for the AI era. As AI agents, automation systems, and machine-driven economies continue to expand, the future will not only involve humans using the internet, but also AI interacting economically with humans. In such an environment, verified human identity becomes a core infrastructure layer. Of course, this progress has sparked wide discussions within the community. Supporters believe Pi Network is gradually transforming from a mobile mining project into a global digital identity infrastructure. They argue that once this system fully matures, it could play a meaningful role in Web3 applications, fintech, and even AI data ecosystems. However, some voices remain cautious, pointing out that the system is still in its early stages. Real-world adoption, ecosystem development, and integration with external industries will take time to fully materialize. Nevertheless, it is undeniable that completing over 526 million KYC validation tasks is a powerful signal. Pi Network is building one of the largest human verified trust networks in the crypto space today. From a broader perspective, this development sits right at the intersection of two major global trends. On one side, Web3 is actively exploring decentralized identity systems. On the other, AI is rapidly increasing the demand for verified, high-quality human data. As AI becomes capable of generating almost anything, the most valuable resource may no longer be data itself, but real human authenticity. And Pi Network is attempting to answer a fundamental question. In the AI era, how do we prove that you are truly human? If this system continues to evolve, it may not remain just a KYC solution. It could potentially become a global human identity protocol layer, supporting financial verification, decentralized applications, AI training validation, and even future digital economic systems. Of course, all of this is still in development. Whether it fully succeeds will depend on technology, ecosystem growth, and real-world adoption. But one thing is clear: Pi Network has taken a significant step toward building the identity infrastructure of the AI era. We will continue to follow Pi Network's progress, including developments in its mainnet ecosystem, real-world applications, and potential AI-related integrations. If you are interested in these updates, stay tuned to PiNewsMedia for more in-depth analysis.